Good morning, guys. So this is our day one. We have started our day one और हमने ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिए। बाकी हम लोगों ने आपस में कुछ डिस्कशंस वगैरह किए। मैं आप लोगों के साथ फ़ोटोज़ और वीडियोस वगैरह साथ में शेयर कर लूँगा। और अभी इन्होंने हमें बताया कि हमें यहाँ पे एक मिशन करना है जो कि है मिशन इम्पॉसिबल। तो देखते हैं कि इस मिशन इम्पॉसिबल में क्या है और क्या क्या चीज़ें हम कर सकते हैं। हम यहाँ पे इन्होंने 4 to 5 ग्रुप्स बनानी है और उसमें पर्टिकुलरली 4 या 5 पर्सनस होंगे। तो देखते हैं कि हमारे साथ ग्रुप में कौन कौन आता है। मैं उनको भी आप लोगों के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगा और देखते हैं हम कि हम कौन कौन से टास्क उसमें से फाइंड कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स गो।
Do you like the name Papas?
It's a very nice place. You go on the left side or on the right side and straight on, alright?
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello guys, this is the main city square of Neustadt Khalets, and this is one of the highest building here in the city. These are our team members and they are looking for some tasks. Guys, say hello. So you guys can see this Greek statue in Germany. There are a lot of other statues here in the park. ये भी हमारा एक टास्क था कि आप यहाँ पे इस सिटी में ढूंढेंगे कि ग्रीक स्टेचूज़ कहाँ पर है। और यहाँ पे साथ पे एक ये चर्च भी है इनका, सिटी चर्च। Finally, we are back to the camp and I have already shown you the city center. There was one task about the trees in the city center. वो भी हमने गिन लिए थे, वो थे 24। और साथ में मैंने आप लोगों को वो बड़ा बिल्डिंग भी दिखाया था। वो भी हमारा एक टास्क था कि यहाँ पे नॉइस्ट खैलेट्स में सबसे बड़ा बिल्डिंग कौन सा है। और हम आ गए हैं वापस कैंप पे।
You don't have to jump higher, just don't stop. If any one of you stops, you lose.
Four, three, two, one. You done it!
Welcome back guys. So we just came from the mission impossible. We have different tasks और आइए हसन से पता करते हैं कि उसको कौन कौन से टास्क अच्छे लगे। हसन भाई बताएं।
भाई आज का दिन तो बहुत थकावटी था। हम बहुत थक गए मिशन इम्पॉसिबल के टास्क कर करके। बहुत ज़्यादा टास्क थे, लेकिन मुझे उनमें से कुछ ये पसंद थे कि हमने ग्रीक का ट्रेडिशनल डांस किया, जो बहुत मेरे लिए नया था, तो मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया। हाँ, मैं सही से नहीं कर पाया, लेकिन बहुत मज़े का था।
सही है।
उसके बाद कुछ और टास्क भी थे। हमने सिटी सेंटर घूमे, तो वहाँ पे हमारे लिए डिफरेंट टास्क ये थे कि हमने ग्रीक जो मोनूमेंट्स थे वो ढूंढने थे। हमने वहाँ पे एक लेक था, उधर जाना था, उसको भी ढूंढना था। तो हम उधर सिटी सेंटर में घूमे। वहाँ पे सिटी स्क्वायर में हमने वहाँ पे दरख्त काउंट किए और डिफरेंट जर्मन लोकल लोगों से बात की हमने। बहुत फ्रेंडली भी थे, कुछ फ्रेंडली नहीं थे, लेकिन कुछ फ्रेंडली थे। उनके साथ बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें। उन्होंने हमें बहुत सा गाइड भी किया, बहुत सी चीज़ों के बारे में बताया कि इस सिटी की मतलब बेसिक चीज़ें जो मतलब हिस्टोरिकल जगह जो हैं वो हमें बताई। तो मैंने उनके साथ बात करके बहुत इन्जॉय किया। फिर हमने यहाँ पे आए वापस, यहाँ पे हमने 1 फीट जंपिंग की 1 मिनट के लिए। वो बहुत
this was interesting. Yeah.
इंटरेस्टिंग भी था, लेकिन कम्पिटेटिव भी बहुत था, क्योंकि हमारे साथ जो कुछ बंदे थे वो जंप नहीं कर पा रहे थे। तो मैंने उनको थोड़ा सा गाइड किया कि इस तरह करते हैं ताकि हमारी एनर्जी भी सेव रहे। हमने वो टास्क बहुत सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट किया।
So right now we are with our another member, and he is also from Pakistan. His name is also Abbas, and we call him here Abbas one, and I am Abbas the second.
Abbas the first.
Yes, Abbas the first and Abbas the second. So let's see what he thinks about this whole program and what he did in the today's tasks.
Yeah, so it was like the first day of our camp, and we were given a list of 35 tasks, which was called Mission Impossible.
Mission Impossible, yes.
Ironically and technically, it was very impossible to do all the tasks. And then we were, after breakfast, we were divided into groups, and then we did tasks which included dancing on one leg, to finding 3 balloons,
Yes.
to going to the church, and like what else, counting the rubber bands, and
counting the rubber bands, and some of the tasks were like counting the trees in the city square.
yeah, I mean those were good. The tasks included in the city were good, but we had to do a lot of walking.
Yes.
And you will see from the shots that he will put it in his vlog, and I do that. It's a very scenic kind of a city, and even right now we're sitting in front of the lake.
Yes.
You can turn the camera, show the lake. Yeah, you can turn it back again. So that's our Hassan, cameraman. He's not a cameraman. We are training him to be a filmmaker. He's also from Pakistan. So I met like two amazing persons from Pakistan, which was a blessing in disguise, because I was really worried about the Greeks.
But I would say about Hassan that he is not a videographer, but he is like a best photographer.
Yeah, he looks very passionate about filmmaking, and they're both from Peshawar. So when I first came here, I met both of these, so it was like good to see some familiar faces. Yeah, we did enjoy the task. I think some of them were pretty boring. And some
which task?
The counting of rubber bands, and the finding the balloons, and
Yes.
some of them are pretty boring. Plus we were not given like a proper schedule or something, so there was a little bit of chaos as well. But yeah, we liked it. I think Hassan thinks that I liked the company, but technically I didn't, because I had to do a lot of walking all by myself, and a lot of tasks like with the team. But yeah, they got into really good teams, and
Okay.
the instructor is also nice, and yeah, let's see, in coming days we would do some kind of performing or something.
And can you tell us what were you expecting like from this program? What we would do on the first day? So it was like something about your expectations, or no? It's something else.
I mean, it's close to my expectations. At least I was expecting less walking and some more chilling.
But it was more
it
work,
feels
yeah?
like we are on like a kind of a work mission or something, that we have to do this. And the city, the lake, it's so peaceful and so calm that I thought, okay, it would be very calm and we would enjoy ourselves and talk about art and performance. But let's hope we get to do in that coming days, and maybe party as well.
And
Never know.
can you tell us that did you sleep last night well or no?
Yeah, I slept like a baby, because it was like a 16-hour journey for me. Unlike others who came from planes and airports, I took like 7 trains to just get here. So I slept like a baby. But yeah,
Yes.
others had like issues.
But there was like a noise of the lake because
Yeah.
the water was just
Yeah, I liked it. I mean, yeah, but let's see if it gets annoying in the coming days. But yeah, I liked it. Right now, I'm more worried about like the combined shower space here.
Yes,
And
I also saw it, and it's like
Yeah.
the same
Yeah,
which is
yeah,
in the
yeah.
gym, and
Yeah, we
Yeah.
are thinking about a strategy of how to shower in there, because it's like an open shower kind of a scene. So let's see.
open shower for 3 people, right?
I'll make you guys stand outside, so I take a shower, then you guys can come in and take your shower. We have to come up with a strategy. So yeah, let's see.
Okay, that was it from the Ghulam Abbas bhai, and I hope you have enjoyed that.